G'day guys, Lowrance Pro Team at Dean Silvester here. I'm just having my first look at the Lowrance HDS live. So obviously I've installed the unit, but this will be the first time I get to play with it on the water. So this is a 12-inch live unit, and I was running the 12-inch carbon before that. But straight away when I installed this, I noticed that it's physically a little bit bigger. It's probably about 10 mil wider, so the bracket's a little bit different. To look at, it's a very appealing unit. It's very sleek and slender, and I love the look of the new screen. A couple of other things I noticed straight away, these 4 new programmable buttons. So I've removed all my 3D from my old carbon system, and I'm running the Active Imaging 3-in-1 transducer. And I'm really looking forward to checking out this new Active Imaging to see how clear it is and how far away that I can see these fish. So let's turn it on and have a look. So far looking pretty similar with the standard screen. Let's accept. This looks a little bit different, the layout, but you've still got your standard things down the side. You've got your page options, and you've got your customizable screen options there. So let's check out these new programmable buttons. Quick access keys. There you go. Look, completely illustrated. There's 1 button, 2, 3, 4, has the dots on them. So let's choose what we can do. Waypoint, that'd be pretty handy. Let's set up the second one as system standby. And the third one, might do that as a screenshot. So I'll save those changes. Now let's put it to the test. So first button, 1 press. Waypoint created at vessel. Perfect. Second button, standby. Nice and simple. Touch the screen to wake it up. Third button, screenshot captured. That is too easy. So a couple of other new buttons I've noticed on here. Push this one, your side menu comes up, similar to normal. Swipe away. Also got the cursor now. Nice pad for your cursor. Waypoint, still the same. Push your flag, edit, save. Pages button. Let's customize our own page before we go out. So add one. I want side, down, and sonar. There we go. Perfect. Let's see about editing data. Yep, so data overlay and stuff still the same. Edit data overlay, add, sonar. So let's get this out in the water then and have a play.